Do you want to make your voice deeper on Discord? This topical talk's gonna show you the easiest method to make your voice deeper using a free app. So open your browser and open this website clownfish-translator.com/voice changer/download. And we are going to use this Clownfish voice changer app to make our voice deeper. Once you are in this download page, all you have to need is download the installer according to your computer requirements and install the Clownfish voice changer on your computer, and it's pretty easy method to installing it. Once it's installed, all you have to need is just launch the Clownfish voice changer on your computer. Now click on this little show hidden icons and here you will find Clownfish. Right click on it and click on setup. Click on system integration. Select audio. Now here we have to install our microphone. So currently I'm using this USB PNP audio device, and as you can see I've already installed the microphone here. So all you have to need is just install the microphone that you are using currently and click on close. And now again click on this icon. Again right click on Clownfish and now click on Set Voice Changer, and here you will find a bunch of different voice effects. You can select any of them, but to make your voice deeper you can select this male pitch,
and here we can see the result. And now go to your Discord and go to user settings. Scroll down to this left hand menu and click on voice and video. Click on this input device and make sure to select your default microphone, which one you are using currently. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and
leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.